Alright, I have tried an easy puzzle 3 times already. Usually, I can solve these things in under 5 minutes. So, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at a graph coloring problem. All the numbers that are here are vertices that are already colored. Now, based on those colors or numbers, I'm going to fill in the numbers 1 through 9 in each box, row, and column without repeat. So I'm going to try really hard to solve this puzzle and not screw up, because I keep screwing up. And it is not the vibe, as the kids say. So I am just going to shut up and solve and check how I'm doing each along the way. And I'm going to use this web interface, but in your book, you're just solving them on paper. So I changed the puzzle that I've been struggling with, and I'm just going to have fun solving. Okay, well, that was easy. That was a lot easier than the other one. All my ones are now off the table because I have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the way they were positioned really helped me find the other positions. Now it looks like 6 is smattered around a whole bunch, so I'm going to go with 6 next. So here's a 6. That's either a 6 or that's either a 6. 6, 6, 6. Here's a 6 or 6. And that's all the possible 6s we have. We have 4 possible 6s. 2 possible 6s, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, we have 2 that are missing. So let's see. I got a lot of 8s, so let's see about 8. I love ones that you can just find. 8. I think my 8s are done. Yep, 8s are done. 8s and 1s are off the table. I see a lot of 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. That's all done. 7. That's a lot. Oh, that's a 7. So that can't be a 7. So that has to be a 7. We don't know about these guys. Let's check this guy. 7, 7, 7, 7, or 7. This is a 7. This is not. This is a 7. Checking my answers. This is a 2. I don't see a lot of 2s, but I do see a 2 that I can get for free. Another 2 for free. That's all 2. 2. Here's a 2 for free. We'll put notes in those later. 1, one's a 2 here. And one's a 2 here. It's not a 3. 3. Do we got a 4? No. So this is either a 2 or a 4, and this is either a 2 or a 4. We don't know enough. 1, 2. That's not a 3, so we got a 3 here or a 3 here. This can't be a 3, so this has to be the 3. That can't be a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a 5 or a 9. This is a 5 or a 9. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not a 5. This is a 5. This is a 9. This is a 5. 6, 7, 8. That's a 9, so this is the 9, and this is the 7. How am I doing? Good. Alright, now let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 or a 9. Nope, that's 4. That's a 9. Now where do I want to go? 1, 2, not 3, so you're a 3. You're a 4, so you're the 6. Alright, so you are unknown, and you are a 6. You are a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, I don't like not having enough information. 1. Oh, no, there's a 1 there. 2, 2. So, this is a 2. This is a 2. 3, 4. 4. 4. 5. No. Nope. No. Nope. I think this has to be the 2. 3. Or this is the 2. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, this is the 9. So that makes this is the 2. And makes this either a 4 or a 5. And this one's either a 4 or a 5. Okay. This is going a lot smoother than the last one. The last one I don't believe was easy. It was more evil. Because it took me 3 tries and I didn't get it right. 1, 2, 1. What am I looking for? 2s. No 2s. 2, 4. Neither. Or 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1. Alright, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. No, can't be a 2, can't be a 2. Can be a 2. 3. Can't be a 3. Can be a 3. Can't be a 3. That means that is a 3. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Is this a 4? Can this be a 4? We don't know. 5. That can't be a 5. That one can't be a 5. So this has to be the 5. This has to be the 2. And this has to be the 4, which means this has to be the 5. And then this has to be the 4. That means this has to be the 5. And then this has to be the 4. How am I doing? Good. That means this is a 4. This is a 2. And it's solved. It took me 11 minutes. BS! How good was my time? I'm 91% faster. Okay. I can do a lot better than that. I can do a lot better than that.